The 0 to 1 Bitcoin challenge continues. As you guys know, I started this challenge in order to earn one entire Bitcoin, and I'm showing you guys the results. So we started out back in June of 2025. That month we earned the $72 worth of Bitcoin. The following month we earned $47 worth of Bitcoin. Then in August we earned $431 worth of Bitcoin. September $1,225 worth of Bitcoin. For October we earned the most amount of Bitcoin, over 2,263. November $734 worth of BTC. December $1,372. January $1,004.64 worth of Bitcoin. So for January the total was $5,904 worth of Bitcoin. And now let me show you the results for February. For February, we ended up earning $952.33, which brings our total to 0.08990236 Bitcoin. And that comes out to $6,658.99 worth of Bitcoin. The majority of the Bitcoin that I have earned so far has been with two platforms. The Go Mining platform, where I mine Bitcoin, and you can too. I have made a ton of videos on the Go Mining platform, so you can check those out. And the other way is with the Gemini credit card. With this credit card, I am able to earn up to 4% back in Bitcoin. So I'm literally using this credit card for everything. Renovating a rental property right now, using this credit card to buy material. Paying car insurance, using this credit card. Buying groceries, paying with this credit card. And I'm accumulating a ton of Bitcoin with this card. Obviously, this challenge will take some time. I'm not going to wake up tomorrow with an entire Bitcoin in my wallet. It will definitely take some time, some patience, but I'm all here for it. I will not stop until I achieve this goal. And right now, it looks like the price of Bitcoin is starting to stabilize, and we are trending a little bit higher. This past week has been really good. We are up almost 10% on the week. The current price of Bitcoin is slightly over 75,000, which is not bad at all. But when we take a look at the chart, this is just a short bounce. Hopefully we stabilize around this number and we continue to go higher. The higher the price of Bitcoin goes, the better. The more money I will make every single day with Go Mining. Hey, real quick, when was the last time you actually shopped for your car insurance? Most people are overpaying and they don't even know it. There's a free tool that lets you compare multiple insurance offers side by side in just a few minutes. No hassle, no commitment. Drivers who compare can save up to hundreds of dollars a year. Results vary, but you won't know until you look. Click on the link in the description box below to see your car insurance offers right now. It is completely free. As you can see, not much has changed. I'm still continuing to focus pretty much all my energy and efforts to getting more power. Right now, efficiency is still at 15. Discount is at 5.62. And when we take a look at the daily payouts, I'm currently averaging just over $13 worth of Bitcoin every single day. It is not bad. So once the price of Bitcoin goes up to $100,000 or $120,000, this number will be much, much higher. And hopefully by then, I will have a lot more terahashes and a lot more power, and I'll be earning a lot more Bitcoin. But the easiest way to earn some Bitcoin without having to invest any of your hard-earned money is by using the Gemini credit card. That allows you to earn Bitcoin on every single swipe. As you can see, multiple colors to choose from. You're going to get 4% back on gas, EV, and transit. And right now, gas prices are skyrocketing, so this 4% comes in very, very handy. You're going to earn 3% on dining, 2% on groceries, and then 1% on everything else. And best of all, there are 0 annual fees, so you don't have to pay anything for this credit card. It is powered by MasterCard, so you can pretty much use it anywhere. Before, you used to earn miles. Then you used to earn points. Now you can earn Bitcoin. But if you're not a big fan of Bitcoin, this credit card allows you to earn 50 different currencies. For example, Ethereum, Shiba, XRP, Solana, Dogecoin, Chainlink, and you have a ton of other options. So you can literally earn Bitcoin for 1 month, switch it over to XRP the next, Solana the month after, and you can stack up on a ton of different currencies. They also have a bunch of colors to choose from. You can go with the regular ones or the ones with the logo. They have the Solana, XRP, or the Bitcoin one, but whichever one you get, you're going to get all the same benefits. These credit cards are metal, so they feel very luxurious in your hand. And best of all, the crypto is deposited into your account instantly. So as soon as you swipe, crypto is in your account. So if you want to apply for this credit card, make sure to check out the link in the description box below, get it and start earning some crypto. So that pretty much concludes this quick little update. If you enjoyed it, make sure to press the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, drop those in the comment section below, and see you in the next video. Peace out.